Be very gentle, okay? It's a wild bird. Say hi. It's been on my hand for like 15 minutes. Because I came downstairs from the roof, and then he was just on the ground on the pathway on his back and like dead. And then I just came close and then I prayed, and his chest started moving a little bit. I'm like, oh, little birds. I sang him a song, and then I went and reached for him, and then he jumped on my finger. And then he's been there for like, hi.
That's beautiful.
It's funny because I did the same in Northern Ontario with a chickadee. And this looks like a Mexican chickadee. Hi. It's yellow. Hi.
Yeah.
We're
It's a
all
pretty
connected
bird.
to all life. Yeah. To our hearts. Say hello. Blow a kiss for me.
Beautiful.